What's up? Good morning to me and maybe you, I don't know. I'm riding to KABINI Backwaters, KABINI Dam with Manoj after a long time basically. So this KABINI is about 221 kilometers from my home. Okay, so I've reached the toll exit and I'm sure that Manoj is not here yet because he's always late. Or he is. Is that him? I knew it. He's not here. So I have to wait as usual. Hey. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೋ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಕಬಿನಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ how are you bro, long time no see.
I am like this bro, see bro.
ಏನಂತೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ Finally we are riding. The time right now is 5:29 AM. Bro, what happened to this road? This was good, right? You know, I'm getting those nostalgic vibes when I ride on this road because I used to do all my, initial rides. Most of them were through this road, if I'm not wrong. Bia Hills and I forgot. I remember Bia Hills because that was a long one, like the one we are doing today. It was 220 kilometers or something. The weather is kind of normal right now. It's not as cold as it used to be before. Of course, it is summer season right now. Okay. First fuel stop of the day. Yeah, first, because I'll have to fill twice today. It is 500 kilometers, right? So yeah. Full.
Zero.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಓದೇ ಬೇಕಾ Yeah, this is Harohalli, I suppose. I remember from here, Maralwadi Dam. This looks beautiful. Feels so good to be back on the road again. Bro, the sky looks absolutely good. Looks like this is an evening, but it's not an evening. There's this restaurant that we usually go whenever we ride through this route. My OG subscribers might know about it. Yep, this is it. So this is the hotel. The first time when I came here, I had bro 1000 subscribers, alla? Most probably 1000 subscribers. Feels good. The journey is really good. Yeah, so how do I switch cameras in this? I don't know. Okay, I'll turn back. This is the hotel, SLB Hotel Refreshment. Whenever you come onto this road, make sure you come here, have some food. I'll leave the location down below in the description box. Nice atmosphere. I'm liking the vibe. Oh, what? Wait, no way. Are you kidding me? Bro, ಇವಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವಾಗ that scooter, I hope you guys saw that scooter over there. That guy is extremely lucky. He's lucky to be alive right now. Okay, this might be a long detour if I'm not wrong. ದಾರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಹಾಂ Wait, this is actually a beautiful place. Damn. Didn't expect this to happen. Well, this trip is going adventurous for sure. We have no idea where we're going. Okay, after a stupid long detour, we are back on the highway. How many kilometers?
70 ಇದೆ.
17, ah? Okay, we have 70 more kilometers. So our plan is to go to KABINI Dam first and then go to the backwaters viewpoint. I guess this is a highway, but then it's kind of narrow. That curve just reminded me of curvy roads. I miss them. Accident zone. Deep curve, go slow. Deep curve, I'm ready. What? This is deep curve? Bruh. I think the person who made that signboard haven't seen a proper curve. That's what happened there. People from Kerala might think I'm an absolute stupid because I'm blabbering a lot about curvy roads. That's because I don't even find a single curve in here, a proper curve where I can corner my bike. Alright? And most of the roads in Kerala are curvy.
ಇದೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್.
ಸರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಡಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವಾಟರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ.
25 kilometers ಬ್ರೋ.
25ಯಾ? ತೋರಿಸು. ಓಕೆ, ಸುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಬಾ. ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ. It's extremely hot right now. Oh my god, I'm sweating my ass off. Okay, so if anyone's coming to KABINI, the dam is absolutely closed. We are going to another viewpoint, a backwaters viewpoint as such. Let's see how that is. I hope that's open, please. That should be open because that doesn't have any gates or anything like that, as far as what I know. Anavandi Udeka vannu. This is for sure closer to Kerala border because that's a Kerala SRTC bus, which is proudly known as Anavandi. Took a left from the main road. We are going inside. I don't know. Let's see. I see it. How do we go there? That's the question now. I'm already liking this. Yo, let's go, boys. Yeah. My god. Holy mother of actual god. This is excellent. my god, I love this. Bruh, this is the first time that I'm coming to a place like this. Sakadalva? We'll go till there, and then we'll go till there, and then we'll decide which is the best spot, and then we'll stop and chill in that specific point for a bit. Okay, I'm gonna switch off ABS. But switching off the ABS in this is a pain in the ass. Why can't they make a soft button which can be easily switched off? What is this? Ah! That was close. I didn't see that coming in there. This is a cool little place to come have fun for sure. This is a pretty decent place. ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. That was wet there. That's the reason I fell. I thought it was dry like this.
So yeah, we had a lot of fun. I hope you guys like the visuals, the slow-mos and everything. Yeah, so we're heading back. Okay, let's go. I have no idea where we came from. Oh yeah, right there. He found it. Pretty cool place, bro. I would suggest you all to come here. You'll have a lot of fun for sure. I'll put the link of this location in the description box down below, but you have to make sure that you don't litter the place. Do not throw any plastic or anything. Please carry it with you. Be a responsible rider and traveler. So if you're planning to come here, make sure you're coming in the morning, like before 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, or in the evening. Anytime after 4 o'clock or 3:30 would be fine. So if you're from Bangalore, try to leave Bangalore at 3 o'clock so you can reach here at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Alright, then I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.